And finally, we have this question. We need to find this integral from 0 to 10, greatest integral function of under root 10x upon x plus 1 dx. Now, let us take this as a function y, which is under root of 10x upon x plus 1. Now, in order to solve this integral, what we'll do is we'll draw the graph of this function. And we'll draw it using transformation of greatest integral function. Before that, I'll differentiate this function. We'll find y dash. So it'll be 1 by 2 under root of 10x upon x plus 1 into 10. And here will be 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. So it'll be greater than 0. So this function, it is strictly increasing function. So between 0 to 10, this function will be an increasing function. Now at 0, this value will be 0. And at 10, this value will be 10 by under root 11, and that is 3 point something. So if we draw this graph, so it will be some increasing function from 0 to 10. Now at 10, this value is 3 point something. Now we know for transformation of greatest integral function of x, we have to draw horizontal lines at integer points. So we have integer point at 1, at 2, and integer point at 3. So this is 1, 2, and 3. Now first we'll find these point of intersections. Now this point is when the value of this function is 1. So if we take this as 1, we'll get 10x upon x plus 1 will be equal to 1. So value of x here is 1 by 9. So this point is 1 by 9. Now for this, we'll put under root 10x upon x plus 1 equals to, now we square it, we'll get 10x equals 4x plus 4, or the value of x is 2 by 3. So this point will be 2 by 3, and then if we put it equals to 3, we'll get 10x upon x plus 1 will be 9. So we'll get value of x as 9. So this point will be 9. Now we know that in between any two lines, this greatest integral function, it comes to this bottom line. So here it'll be this 0. Here it'll be this value 1. Here it'll take the value 2. And in between 9 and 10, it'll take the value 3. Now this integral, it is nothing but it is this area. So value of this integral will be 1 into 2 by 3 minus 1 by 9 plus 2 into 9 minus 2 by 3 and plus 3 into 10 minus 9, which is 1, and this is 5 by 9 plus 18 minus 12 by 9 plus 3, 182 by 9. Now we need to find the value of 9i. The value of 9i is 182. So answer to this question is 182.